your resident historian of rock and roll. Do you remember this scene from episode 2 of Loosies TV?
Nothing has changed.
I don't give a I'm not going back to Jersey.
Bizarre, no? I will give you 10 francs if you can tell me what the strange image is around Henri's head. I'm not giving you 10 francs, I don't have any money, but the graphic is from the 1978 Rolling Stones record, Some Girls.
Some girls give me money, some girls buy me clothes, some girls give me jewelry, and they never thought I'd own. Some girls give me diamonds.
Those crazy Stones, they took that image from some Chicago company that sold hair products and powder and shit.
Some girls take my money, some girls take my clothes, some girls take the shirt off my back and leave me with a little toes. So give me all your money, give me all your gold. I buy your house back in Zuma Beach, I give you half of what I owe.
You show up here every week and see if you can find all the little Easter eggs that we have hidden throughout the episodes of Loosies TV.
French girls, they want Cartier. Italian girls love cars.